Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this today's video, I am going to show you how to fix Uber Cash not working. If your is not working, Cash is not working properly. In this video, I will show you simple and easy step to fix problem. Just follow each step carefully. The first step is check your internet connection. Make sure your internet is working. Turn your Wi-Fi off and on again, or use switch to mobile data. If that is not working, turn your airplane for a few seconds, then off again. And the second step is restart the phone. Sometimes a simple reset can fix many problems, and this helps remove small bugs and glitches. And the on the step is update the app. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version. For the app update, open Play Store or App Store, search for the app, tap on update option if it is available. Old version may not work properly, so the another step is clearing app cache. Clearing app cache can fix loading and caching issue. Go to your phone setting, go to your app management or apps, then tap on App List or apps and search for the app. Then tap on storage and cache. Click clear cache. Click this removes temporary files causing problems. If nothing works, reinstall the app. The last step is reinstall the app. If nothing works, reinstall the app, uninstall the app, restart your phone, and install the app again from Play Store or App Store. And by doing all of it, this gives a free start to the app. If none of these helps, then you can contact to customer service of the app and they may help you to solve the issue coming on the app. So that's it. These are the best way to fix the app problem. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe more for more airport tutorial. Thank you.